Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Asia B, and today I am doing a clean out my closet haul because I have so much stuff in my closet that I don't even wear, like stuff from like high school. So let's try this stuff on and see if I still can fit it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and slap the notification bell so you can get notified every time that I post. So the first item I have is these acid wash shorts that's been collecting dust in the back of my closet. And I only wore them probably like 5 times. Yeah, these are, I'm gonna try them on and see if I can fit them, because I did gain some weight over the years, so I'll be right back. So this is what they look like. Please don't mind the balloons. Got a little revealing back there. The next item that I found were these white shorts, again, that I bought a long time ago but never wore them. They have little things at the bottom. I don't know what they are, little balls, little lace design, but here, let me try these on for you guys. Here they are. White, cute, high-waisted, cute little shorts. You know, something classy. The next item that I found was this tutu that my mom bought me in like high school, my 10th grade year. I only wore it once, literally. But this is what it is. See if I can still fit it. It's a small. You know, your girl's thick, so I ain't no small, but we'll see what it does. Okay, it's still kind of cute, nice, and got a little mini skirt under it. Has this. Good tutu, cute. Putting y'all on mute. And yeah, so this is the tutu. Next item that I found was this jean dress that I wore one year on 4th of July. I only wore it once. Has a little bow on the back, and it's acid wash. So I want to see if I can still fit it. It's cute. It's the dress on me. It actually fits better than what it was fitting before. Because before, this used to hang out. It doesn't hang out anymore. This is the dress on me. Please don't mind that toilet paper in the back. That's where they keep their toilet paper. The next item that I found was this red maroon jumpsuit. This was actually a gift to me, and I wore it probably about 3 times. I don't even know if I can still fit this. What size is this? Oh, it don't. This is a size medium. It's a size medium. Maroon. Literally only wore it like 3 times. Let's see if I can still fit it. So this is how this looks on me now. Red jumpsuit. That's how it looks. That's how the back looks. Very open. So yeah, this is the red jumpsuit on me. The next item that I found is this pink t-shirt dress that I don't even remember where I bought this from. or where I bought this from. This is a size large. It's giving me nightgown vibes. I don't know why I buy stuff. I just buy stuff and never wear it. Like, I don't even know. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this is gonna fit, but it's probably gonna look crazy on me. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Here's the back, here's the front. Let's try it on and see how it looks. Yeah, this is definitely giving me nightgown vibes. Pink dress. So yeah, so you guys, the last item that I found was this pink dress. I actually wore this dress a lot. It's a size extra small. I am not extra small, I am a size medium in dresses. But here it is. Here's the back. You can wear this to a cute little get together, probably out to dinner with your friends or something. So let's see if I can still wear it. So here's the dress. I can't believe this still kind of fit. It still looks small to me, but I wear a size medium and this dress fits. And I just think that's crazy, but this is it. Here's the back. So it looks like a nice, cute dress. So yeah, you guys, that's it. That's all I found in my closet. Hopefully, if I come across anything else, I'll do a part 2. If you want a part 2, please leave it in the description box below. Also, thank you for watching. Bye.